Welcome to Arty, Crafty Alchemy. Today I am sharing with you the Rosie Studio Take Flight and the Reject Shop's Love This Life collection. This one is by the craft store. They actually had 2 or 3 collections called Love This Life. So I have some branded from the Reject Shop and some extras that I got off the Rosie Studio website. I didn't buy the stamps for this collection. I didn't think I would use them outside of using them with this collection, so I thought that I would not get them. I don't want to buy things I'm not going to use again. A lot of their stamps I love and I'll use again in a heartbeat. Love This Life, we are missing 4 sheets of paper altogether, 2 different ones, because the Reject Shop has reduced how many they have in a pack and they're not giving us the paper pads anymore. First paper has gold foil flecks surrounding the balloons. We have some dash lines, some stylized butterflies, leaves or flowers, flowers and birds, geometric purple, birds, clouds, little circle clusters, dragonflies, dotted lines. This is a cool piece. This is all gold foiled flowers, flowers and leaves, paper planes. My 2 pieces of paper are 2 different colours. Strange. Words, dreams, holiday, happy, fun, jump, play, lots of words. A swipey watercolour rainbow, weather lines, but I am missing a piece. Oh well. I've gotten a lot of extra pieces lately, so I guess this one works in the opposite direction. And then rainbow bobs, I'm not sure what you'd call that. Just a rainbow page. So from Rosie's you get 40 sheets, 20 different designs, 2 of each. And from the Reject Shop you get 36 sheets, 2 of each design, 18 different designs. Now from Rosie's you would get a pack with 203 pieces in it. From the Reject Shop you only get 103 pieces. I generally end up buying 2, which would actually work out cheaper to go to Rosie's and buy it, but didn't realise that the collections were Rosie's, and now that I do know that, I may actually wait until they release the collections and buy the extra bits before I do the videos, because they do come in handy. There is a tag, a balloon journaling spot, share the magic, thankful for you, little heart, little leaf. I get a feeling there's going to be lots of tiny things in this. Again, we've got gold foiling, bird cage, butterfly, paper plane, just as you are, flowers, a birdhouse and a bird stamp, La Via Bella, I don't know, balloon, a bird, a dragonfly, itty bitty heart, a bunch of balloons, a smaller balloon with a face on it, a bit weird, free spirit, today, real life, see the good, they're all separate banners, they're just still joined together, love, balloon, looks more like a moth than a butterfly, a leaf, you did it, happiness, hello lovely, heart, dreams, a banner tag and a regular tag with XO on it. This is framed, so you've got this outer frame and then you've got hello you in the middle. Hello sunshine and happy, best friends, amazing, flower, heart banner, flower, a heart and a leaf. Your dreams take flight, a balloon, heart, heart balloon, gold heart, a bird, another bird, a cup with flowers, a tassely pastel rainbow, I heart you, aeroplane, a bunch of flowers, believe you can, beautiful day, floral heart, a jug with flowers, fairy, it's very cute. Wish she was in the stamps, but they didn't do the stamps with her in it. I would have bought stamps if they had. I have 2 different sets of stamps and I didn't like either of them. A purple and a blue heart cluster, a package with a balloon, some big leaves, I loved ticket, beautiful, free spirited, a flower, smaller flower, another flower, another flower, take flight and let your heart soar. These are pretty hard to read because the writing is quite tiny. Follow your, hello, best ever, amazing, one of a kind, celebrate this day, so very thankful, flowers, a notebook page with flowers in the corner, flower, leaves, flower, leaf, hooray, and then a good background with some flowers at the corner. This is a frame that says best day, and in the middle it has the words celebrate, take flight, love you, happy day. I do like how they try and add something to the middle of their frames so that it's not a wasted space. And some bigger leaves, a a library book card, best wishes, LOL, and Dreamer. As I said, I always buy 2 packets of the die cuts. More so now that I'm trying to make multiples of the cards. Whenever I make the cards, I at least try to make doubles now. These couple of things the Reject Shop didn't have. There are other stickers and things that I didn't get. I just got the ones that I thought I would use. So the journaling cards now don't have the bigger cards. There's only 24 pieces in a pack. There used to be 40. I'm not sure if Rosie's prices have gone up or if it's just because our exchange is so low, because they used to be a fair bit cheaper, but their prices may also have gone up just because it's costing more to get things made now. There's 2 of each card. The best time for new beginnings is now. And on the back we have this floral wreath with a grid design in the middle. Birds and flowers, and wonderful things will happen. Reach for your dreams. Touch the sky. And on the back we have a purple flower notebook page. You bring the magic. There's no day like today. Daydream believer. Things we do. Let your dreams take you to amazing places. Some hearts at the bottom of a ledger. You are the extra in my ordinary. Remember this. Create your own rainbow. And then we have a little birdie in the corner. It says open your heart to new experiences. Love my life and the ones in it. And on the back we have some flowers and a grid pattern. Have a courage like wildflowers. Then we have a wreath with a spotty background. Have a good heart and the rest will follow. You owe it to yourself to do all the things you dreamed. Butterflies and moths. You are so many reasons to smile. That is the 24 journaling cards. 12 different double-sided cards. Then I got the chipboard embellishments. They also do puffy stickers and a few others. These ones are double-sided, so they were worth it. But I find some of the others, you only get 1 sheet that size, and for the way our exchange is right now, they're not really that super worth it, so I didn't get them. The lovely girl. Love, cute, smile, dream, XOX, wish big. In little speech bubbles, we have some hearts. A smaller version of the heart banner. Go where your dreams take you. Pastel rainbow, moth, camera, bird, bloom and grow, with thanks. Do everything with a big heart and a strong mind. And we have the balloon with the letter or present. Dream chaser, adventurer, cute and clever. Where the fun is. You got this, love this, la vie, whatever that little die cut said before. Sun, and enjoy today, your story. Love you more than yesterday, but less than tomorrow. Some houses and a picket fence, and then a frame, and just be your own unique, beautiful self. They are the chipboard embellishments. Most of the other stickers they had were the same price, or close to the same price, for only 1 sheet, which is why I tend to like to get the chipboard embellishments more. I've been curious about this. Rosie's contains 5 sheets. However, the Craft Stall Reject Shop one only contains 4. So looking at the back, we are missing this one with the strips and extra sentiments and circles. I think they've dropped the price of these by $1. I'm pretty sure that everything that Reject Shop has now is $3 per packet. That's probably why they've taken a sticker sheet out. So we'll have a proper look at the Rosie's one, but I'm just getting them out to compare. The back of our Rosie's pack actually has some more of that stripy dashed line, so you could reuse that if you wanted to. The Reject Shop ones are on a glossier style paper, whereas the Rosie's are on a matte paper. I'm not sure if that's the same for all of their stickers. When I do some more of the collections, I'll test it out. And that is probably why the colours are slightly different. Not big enough to make a huge issue out of it, but just slightly different because they are different papers. And this is, I'm not sure if this is showing up in camera, but this one is more of a creamy off-white, whereas this is bright white, which will also affect the colour laydown as well. We have a singing birdie, hearts, birds. Again, that one looks like a moth, some florals. Life is more fun if you let the wind carry you. Laughter is timeless. Imagination has no age. Dreams are forever. Dreamer, sweet, lovely in a wreath. Celebrate. Envelope with flowers, a jar of flowers. Create your own rainbow, the fairy. Radiate positivity. No day like today. Where the fun is. I'm not sure I would ever use radiate positivity on card as such. Okay, so this one and this one. Achieve, let your dreams be your wings. A day like today, you are better than sunshine and rainbows combined. More of what you love. Start the new day with a cheerful heart. Be whatever you want to be. Let your dreams run wild, one of a kind. Wonderful things will happen. Have a good heart, the rest will follow. Wonder, cute and clever, and a jar of rainbows. Next one that we have the same is this one. Best is yet to come. Enjoy the little things. Then we have these journaling banners. Here's the story. Celebrate extraordinary. Made for you. Happy days. Love this. Lots of little banners in there. And we have some long sentiments. You can do this. You don't have to be perfect to be amazing, wonderful. Love my life and the ones in it. Everything is possible. They are easier to read because being on the lighter background. Real and true. Then we have that gorgeous floral. And actually, if you look, they don't match up at all. Use different parts of the flower for it. I guess they make subtle little tweaks. Same with this one. I actually like how the flowers have lined up on the Rosie's ones, but I prefer the matte paper. Loving this, and this is really hard to see on the shiny. Again, not quite the same matchup. The sparkle never fades, and they're also slightly different golds, probably just because one is on the matte and one is on the shiny. Lots of little banners down here, some larger banners here where the fun is. Okay, and we'll take the last matchy page, which is all the florals and birds and the plane and the fairy. We have this beautiful pastel style rainbow of colours. A couple of fairies in there, lots of birds and things. And then this is the page that is missing from the craft store. We have a couple of sentiments which aren't scented, and I believe they are probably meant to be scented. Yes, so unfortunately mine is way off center, so I may need to actually email them about that because a lot of mine are where they're supposed to be and being cut out or just look weird because they're in the wrong spot. Beautiful in every way, grateful for this moment. Bird, fly away with the plane. We have a circle of the little hearts. Good vibes, thank you, love this. Yay, lots of little sentiments. Such a perfect day. Be your own unique, beautiful self. Your love made me grow. Hello, lovely. Your future looks so bright. Always have courage. We have some strips. This one is spotty purple. Then there is this one which is floral pattern with birds. Pink and black floral pattern. The watercolour type rainbow. Bunch of rainbows and the balloons. That is the sticker packs. It is the first time I've seen Rosie's have planner and journal stickers matching their collections, so I was quite interested in this one. So we'll have a quick little look at what is in it. Again, we have the stripy background, which you could cut up and use when you were done with the stickers. We have lots of little banners. You got this, treat yourself. Let's do lunch time. Lots of little florals and spots. Again, we have the gold foil. Today, busy, 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 party time, this is amazing. Then we have days of the week and you have the cool tones and the warmer tones. It's a great day, happy plans. You have some little boxes, some little reminder arrows, lots of little spots. My plan, make it count, you can do this. It's very tiny writing. All completed, that is so tiny. A lot of them are repeated. I have 2 lines of each in different colours. We have some more banners, and we have some more sentiments. Never give up. Love life and the ones in it. Keep your dreams alive. That one's really hard to read. Beautiful in every way. We have some arrow style banners. Do it today. Celebrate. Important. Do it today. Boxes. Plans today. Tasks. Let your dreams take flight. Tomorrow is a new day. Dreamer. You do you. And there is some more boxes. Not often think positively. Loving life. Today I feel proud. Faves. To shine. A little fairy down here and it says my wish. Everything is going exactly as planned. Ace adventures. And there is this sheet which are clear. So you can layer up on some of the other things. Who's happy? Daily goals. Positive self. You're killing it. Don't quit your daydream. And there's some hashtags. Goals, challenges, achiever, plans, possibilities, wonder. I can do anything. Need more coffee, coffee to go. I'm not going to use either of them because I don't drink coffee. Day, happiness, the best, it's a date, like, wow. Important, ASAP, celebration, urgent, note to self and priority. And we have lots of little circles down the side. That has a lot of stuff in it that I can use in my planner or make it easier. Usually I chop up paper and stuff, but I've got some washi style strips in the sticker pack, and then I have these stickers, and these stickers are actually on the glossy paper, the same as these ones, and it is the same off-whitish colour as well. That is the Take Flight collection. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to see more content like this, and hit the bell notification to know when new videos come out. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.